Intro. What if I told you that you could make $500 a day from your bedroom without a college degree? You'd probably think I'm crazy, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you 5 online jobs that almost nobody is talking about that can easily make you that much money, and maybe even more. These aren't your typical fill-out surveys or virtual assistant jobs. These are high-value skills that companies are desperately paying top dollar for right now. And to prove how serious I am, if you try every single one of these methods for 90 days and don't make at least $1, I will literally give one of you, chosen at random, $10,000. So listen up, because what I'm about to share could completely change your life. We're not just talking about a side hustle, we're talking about building a legitimate career online that could make you wealthier than you ever imagined. Make sure you watch until the very end, because the last job is the one I think has the most potential to make you a millionaire in the next 5 years. Alright, first up is a job that sounds simple but is one of the highest paid skills on the planet. High-ticket freelance copywriting. Forget writing blog posts for $5. I'm talking about writing emails, sales pages and video scripts that can generate millions of dollars for a company. And when you can do that, they'll pay tens of thousands per project. Every ad, every brand email, every website trying to sell you something. A copywriter wrote that. It's the engine of the entire internet economy. Companies need you more than you need them, so you have power when negotiating rates. You might be thinking, I'm not a good writer. It literally does not matter. This isn't about being Shakespeare, it's about psychology. Understanding what makes people tick. Use simple, persuasive language to guide people to a decision. If you can convince a friend via text, you have the basics to become a copywriter. Learn the fundamentals. Tons of free resources. Dedicate 1 hour a day for 30 days. Study headlines, hooks, offers, and calls to action. Rewrite ads, emails, pages, then compile spec work into a portfolio. Forget marketplaces. Go direct to businesses you love. Make a list of 100 targets. Find the CEO or head of marketing on LinkedIn. Send a short personalized loom showing your rewrite. Hey name, here's a quick improvement. No strings attached. Out of 100, maybe 10 reply, and they're strong leads. Do amazing work, get results, secure testimonials, build momentum. Within months, charge $5,000 per page or $3,000 a month for emails. Top copywriters quietly make 7 figures. This is real, and it starts with 1 email. The second job is something I almost guarantee you've never heard of. It's called a SaaS sales closer. A remote commission-based closer. Companies spend to generate leads. They book demos in your calendar. You show up, answer questions, demo the solution, and ask for the sale. Typical commission is 10 to 20%. Close a 10K annual plan at 15%. That's $1,500 from 1 call. Close 1 per week, $6,000 a month. From home in your pajamas. This isn't used car energy. They're already interested. You listen, diagnose, and guide. No sales background needed. Teachers, bartenders, trainers crush this because they listen. The person who talks least often earns most. Ask smart questions. Search LinkedIn job boards for SDR, account executive, or high-ticket sales. Remote, fast-growing tech. Study their product, demos, and case studies until you're the most informed candidate. Don't just submit a resume. Send a short video. Ideal customer. Value prop. Your 90-day plan. Once hired, they train you, give scripts and inbound leads. Show up and execute. You step in at the crucial moment, the sale, and take a big commission slice. One of the fastest paths to 6 figures. If you're a strong communicator who asks for what you're worth, this one's for you. This next one is so new that 99% of people don't know it exists. AI prompt engineer or AI consulting specialist. With tools like ChatGPT and others, a brand new skill has emerged. Telling the AI what to do. AI is the most powerful intern, but it needs precise instructions. A good prompt yields perfect campaigns. A bad one yields garbage. Companies will pay 6 figures, sometimes over $300K, to those who systemize AI usage. You don't need a job. Consult. I help businesses integrate AI to save time and money. Specialize. Marketing ad copy, law case summaries, or developer code acceleration. The possibilities are endless. Start with ChatGPT 4, pay for premium, and master it. 2 hours a day. Try to break it. Use personas, provide context, give examples, and define what not to do. Build a spec portfolio. Document exactly how AI saves teams time and money. Send a free strategy with ready-to-use prompts. Ask for a 15-minute walkthrough call. Charge $1,000 for half-day workshops, $5,000 plus to build systems. This is the biggest opportunity of our generation. Learning to communicate with AI is as fundamental as learning the internet was. Get in now, before it's common knowledge. Chapter 4. Okay, this job is for the detail-oriented, conversion rate optimization, or CRO. Improve a site from 1% to 2% conversion. Same traffic, double the revenue. Companies pay fortunes for that. CRO specialists charge $5,000, $10,000 per project, or $5,000 plus monthly retainers. Small tests, buttons, headlines, images, placement, social proof, speed, compound into big gains. Study UX and persuasion. Use analytics and heat maps. Many tools have free plans. Find a site, spot obvious issues, create a visual 5-10 page audit with fixes. Send it, then offer to implement the changes for a fee. Measure uplift, build a case study, and use it to land bigger clients. Demand is off the charts. Be the website detective who finds hidden money on pages they already have. We've made it to the 5th job, the highest potential for passive income and real wealth. Niche online course creator. Package what you know into a high-quality course that sells while you sleep. If people have a problem or desire, there's a course to solve it. You don't need to be world-class, just ahead of your audience. Your journey is part of the value. Same effort to sell to 1 or 10,000. That's leverage. Pick a specific audience and problem they'll pay to solve. Create free, valuable content for 90 days. And build an email list with a simple lead magnet. Email your list. Outline ABC. Pre-sell at 50% off to first 50. If they buy, build it. Record simply. Phone is fine. Host on a course platform. Deliver an amazing experience. Collect testimonials for your big launch. Then launch to the public. Run ads, email your audience, partner with creators. This builds a sustainable business and long-term freedom. And there you have it. 5 legitimate, high-income online jobs you can start today to make $500 a day or more from home. High-ticket copywriting, remote sales closer, AI prompt engineering, CRO specialist, course creator. These aren't pipe dreams, these are blueprints. People are changing their lives with these skills. It's not your background, education, or money. It's the belief that you can't do it. I'm telling you, you can. Choose one path, the one that excites you most, and commit for the next 90 days. Comment below which job you're going to pursue. Write it down. Make it real. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm breaking down each path in upcoming videos. This is just the beginning of your journey. If you put in the work, your life can look different in 3 months. Now go out there and take action.